Now folks, this wrap up the thing, and you guys can see we already went to from absorb there, we're on float, and everything seems to be running great here, and we're pushing some power we don't use right now. So this is how the system is running right now from the command center, JW Solar USA. We're bringing in 90 volts, 90.7, 90.8 volts in, which is over 100 volts from the array, and being converted, since right now the batteries don't need that much, and you guys can see the voltage goes up and the amps drop. That's how it works. Anytime you see bringing a lot of amps to the batteries, just because the batteries are hungry, batteries are empty, so you bring in more amps, especially if there's no load. And the batteries, if you're already charged like this, all the loads, everything just passing through, everything is just passing through, because you're not taking nothing from the batteries unless you take excessive power that what the solar array is bringing at the moment, and that's what you can able to tap into the batteries and borrow a little bit, or else the panel's sitting there doing nothing. So at this point, that's what it's doing. Batteries are full. I got some few loads running in the house, and that's what you're seeing right now. So we're bringing back 300 watts, 10 amps, 11, just to maintain the batteries constantly for my loads I'm running right now. At this point, I'm doing laundering, and everything seems to be cool, and nothing we're taking from the batteries at this point. So 100% still a charge. Alright, stay tuned, YouTube. I'll be back with you shortly. As you guys see, there's a surge right there because I just went and cranked microwave and other stuff so that we can bring more power. We're still on float, by the way, but these are all the power that is running right now, phantom power. So it's covering all those loads while not taking anything from the batteries, and running some laundering at the same time, you know, wash and dry running. So folks, you can hear the midnight, the fan just kick in. So with all that surge within that short time, I don't know what the wife did in the kitchen, but you guys can see we're still fine. Everything is running really perfectly. Look at that. See that spike right there? Look at that. I'll have to take you outside and you guys can see the conditions, and you see exactly what I'm dealing with here. I hope I didn't forget to take you outside so you guys can see. Well, we're bringing 1,000 watts right now constantly while we're maintaining all our bad habits, bringing 37 amps to the batteries. Alright, YouTube, take care. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share if you like this video, and subscribe, thumbs up, and share this video. Check me on Instagram, Facebook, and all the good stuff around there. Twitter as well. Alright, and subscribe on JW Solar USA. This is how I'm wrapping up some of this stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye for now. 1.6, 1020, 1000, running constantly on that. And this is how we do it right here. Making some good power, y'all. It's almost 1.5 kilowatts of power coming in. This is nice. Back again with the update. You guys can see generated 2.3 kilowatt hours. Alright, coming back with the camera, checking the system after a kilowatt, and we just added another 1.3 kilowatts here, and the Classic is doing good. So anyway, you guys can see we are on float MPPT again, because we put in some few loads in the house and we bring in only 152 watts. Alright, I hope you like what you're seeing, and please subscribe to my channel, share my channel, share my videos, give a thumbs up, and stop by all the time for more updates you want to see live here. This is how we do things, and everything is cool. We still have more time. It's just about 22 hours, and we still have more daylight. The batteries are full. Alright, well, take care of yourself, you guys, and always love you guys. Bye for now.